In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable hover cards in Google Chrome. If you've ever hovered over a tab and seen a large preview pop up, that's a hover card. It can be handy for quick peeks, but it can also be distracting or get in the way, especially when you've got lots of tabs open. Let's turn those off so your browser feels cleaner and more focused. Start by opening Google Chrome. Look to the top right corner of the window for the three dots, also called the More or Chrome menu. Click that to open the drop-down, then choose Settings. This takes you to Chrome's main settings page, where all the customization options live. On the left side of the settings page, click Appearance. This section controls how Chrome looks and behaves, from themes to toolbars, and importantly for us, hover-related features on tabs. Give the page a second to load and then scroll just enough to find the hover card options. You're looking for settings labeled hover cards or tab hover cards. Depending on your version of Chrome, you might also see related toggles like tab hover card images or show previews on hover. To fully disable the feature, turn off every option tied to hover cards. If you see a switch for hover card images, turn that off too, so you don't get any thumbnail previews when pointing at a tab. The goal is that when you hover your mouse over a tab, you either see a simple tooltip with the page title or nothing at all instead of a large preview box. After you toggle these off, Chrome may prompt you to relaunch. If a relaunch button appears, go ahead and click it so the change applies everywhere. If there's no prompt, the setting usually takes effect right away. Now test it. Hover your pointer over an open tab. You shouldn't see the big preview card anymore. If you still do, double check the appearance page to make sure all hover card options are turned off. If you don't see any hover card settings at all, it can mean your Chrome version doesn't include them in this menu, or your device is managed by an organization that controls these features. That's it, quick and clean. You can always return to the same appearance area to re-enable hover cards later if you change your mind. Enjoy a tidier, less distracting tab bar and get back to browsing without pop-ups hovering over your work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.